How's it going? Welcome back to my channel of Rodz and Hobz. I'm your host, Steve Ricardo. It has been a while, people. How you guys doing? Okay, so let's cut to the chase. This video is for owners of a Dodge Durango, 2013, 2010. They're all about the same thing. So I've got the passenger window button doesn't work, so it's busted. All right, not a big deal. You can go to the dealership and get the parts, but nowadays everything's Amazon. So I got it on Amazon, as well as for $7 you can get the plastic pry bars and everything else. That way you're not damaging anything in the car, as this is being all leather. So inexpensive. This was like $7, and I think the switch was like $25 or $30 Canadian. So easy to do. So we know it doesn't work, so we're gonna switch the motor off right now. I have my assistants helping me out. Let's start with getting the part out. But before we get the part out, something like that or I've got this one. I'll just put it right here. One thing I do want to check is that we've got the right piece that I ordered, because you know you can easily kind of screw it up and get the wrong thing. So let's do that. Looks good. So like I said, I'll put all the part numbers below and where I got them from on Amazon. Make it even easy. Oh, look at that. So to me, that looks the same. All right. So there we go. Easy clip. I'm going to put this over here with the plastic so it doesn't have anything. So getting this out, we'll find out. It should be pretty easy. As you can see, a little bit there. Just like downtown. So these are good. These are really good. That way it didn't damage anything. And all it is a clip on the inside. Right there. It's a little piece there. You pull up. And that's it. That can go in the box. And let me grab the other piece, which is right there. Clips in only one way, so you can't really screw it up. All right. And before I actually put it in, let's get my trusty assistant to start the car. We're getting there. All right, here we go. So we're gonna go down. Oh, look at that. Alrighty. Pop it in. Just like that, just like downtown. Now, if I can do it, you can do it. Real simple. Take your time. Don't rush it. Get the proper tools. Get the proper parts. Get a set of these, $7, and you could pretty much fix anything around the house. And yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching. I've been Steve. You've been great. Easy repair. Ciao.